Hey guys, welcome to Alberto's Adventures. Today we'll be looking at the King room here at the Wynn in Las Vegas. Alright guys, here's the main entryway. This is room 1437. So we have all the controls here for the lighting, privacy, service, all off or all on or low light. We have the map here. And then that's to the other room. So we have this hallway. So here's the restroom. We have a shower area, a separate soaking tub, shower, body wash, conditioner, shampoo, towels. Here's the controls for the lighting. You have lights on and off. And we also have night lights on or off, which would be under the sink here. So that's pretty nice in the nighttime. They come in handy. And that's the separate water closet. Towels, scale, hair dryer, blow dryer, towels, and then again the toilet area over here. So it's nice that it's separate from everything else. And back here, there's two robes. So going out into the rest of the room, gigantic mirror. It's huge. And on the opposite side, we have the closet, the safe, our luggage rack, hangers, ironing board. And the main room, some artwork on the wall. So we have the side table here with the lamp. Excuse my face mask. Couch, artwork, an ottoman. Have a nice desk, the office chair. Does this drawer open? Okay, there you go. Stationery. Telephone. And a lamp, a nice little mirror, a nice view. This is on the 14th floor and the view's pretty great. It's a nice view. Huge ceiling to floor windows. We have an Alexa. And then a nice little seating area. Television. And of course the bed, nice king bed. Dressers on either side. Phone. Here we have the shear and drape controls to open and close them, and all the lights on or all the lights off, as well as this little touch tablet. Control the lights, temperature in the room, an alarm, the drapes as well. So it's a very nice room, very high ceilings. And again, this is the King room at the Wynn in Las Vegas. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, and leave comments or any questions you may have down below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.